My name is Magnus Young, and I'm the chef de cuisine and culinary manager at the Clif Family Winery and Bruschetteria Food Truck in St. Helena, California. The food truck can be found parked outside the Clif Family tasting room, and we serve a seasonally inspired menu with organic produce from our farm on Owl Mountain. I'm going to show you how to make this watermelon melonchelada, a fruity, sweet, and refreshing update to a traditional michelada. A michelada is a beer cocktail made with tomato juice, lime juice, Worcestershire, and hot sauce. Watermelon is very popular on beverage menus, and in this version, we're going to use watermelon juice instead of tomato juice. First, let's start by making the watermelon juice. Here I have watermelon that I've cut into chunks. Puree the watermelon in a blender or food processor and strain. Watermelon is 92% water, making it very easy to puree and juice. The yield should be about 2 cups total. You can discard the solids or you can save it to use for later. I like to use to make watermelon butter. Chill the juice. Mix the chilled watermelon juice with 48 ounces of chilled Mexican lager, hot sauce, Worcestershire, and lime juice. You can serve these melonceladas in a beer glass, margarita glass, or even a mason jar. I have a 16-ounce beer glass here, and I'm going to rim the edge with a lime wedge, then rim the glass with a mixture of flaky sea salt and tahini. Add a little ice to the glass and pour in the melonchelada. Garnish with a slice of watermelon dusted with chili powder or tahini. I'm using a slice of yellow watermelon. Watermelon and chili are a classic and delicious combination. This watermelon melonchelada is so refreshing and a great addition to a brunch menu.